Hey guys.
Hello. Sorry, I had coffee in my mouth.
You don't need to be so close to the camera, girl.
Hey.
You're a goof. Anyways. Sorry about no vlog yesterday. Let me get closer. Move, please.
Oh, my mouth hurts today a lot. Only woke me up 4 times last night.
Oh, what is he? Stop.
Tried everything. If you can think of anything home remedy wise that would help with dental pain, leave a comment. I'd appreciate it.
Besides garlic.
I've tried garlic. I've tried Ambisol. I've tried the Orajel mouthwash.
Stop.
The sensitive toothpaste. Nothing's seeming to help. Ibuprofen's not helping. I'm just tired of being in pain. I have to wait a couple more weeks, and then I'm going to get those teeth removed, and then I won't be in pain anymore, and I'm really excited.
We're not doing really anything today, are we, babe?
No, tomorrow we are, though. Going out to the boss's house, and doing barbecue on Memorial Day, and got to clean out our storage unit the rest of the way tomorrow, and tomorrow's going to be busy, busy, busy.
Oh no.
Today's very lazy, lazy, lazy.
Mm-hmm. It definitely is. And what do you say, like in a week or so, I'm going to have a special video for them?
A week or two.
Yeah. We got a bunch of questions by Lava Girl.
Yeah? Which ones?
Do we want to answer them now, or do we want to make a
I don't
separate
even know
video?
what the questions are.
Well, I'm saying, like, do we want to make a separate video?
Well, you can just, she watches them, and I can just, we can, I guess.
I'll probably do that later today.
Oh my goodness gracious! Brush your teeth. Always brush your teeth. Because then you don't have to deal with this.
Fine.
Someone's got an attitude today.
Sorry.
Not you, Izzy. Did you hear her?
Fine. Stop.
Excuse the disaster. I've been extremely tired and
I've been just...
not feeling good, so. And he's been in pain. And I can't keep the house clean 24/7 because the kids destroy it. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a really good day. And we'll chat probably in a little bit. Huh, babe?
Yeah.
Hey guys, sorry about the lighting. It's been a long day. I made homemade chicken and dumplings. I haven't got to try it yet. Just yeah. You're silly. Anyways, like I said, it's been a long day. It's now like 8 something, almost 9 o'clock. Zack's in a lot of pain, probably gonna have to go to the ER again because he just can't handle it. He's in way too much pain. What are you doing? This vlog is probably gonna be really, really short because we haven't vlogged a whole lot because he's been in a lot of pain. I've been making dinner, cleaning, even though it's messy again. What are you doing? Stop. You're butthead. But he just got out of the bath, and hopefully gonna go to bed soon. Yuck. He just got slobber all over me. I hope you guys are having a better night. I still don't feel good. And I really need to eat something, but it's okay. I can wait. Say hello. Say hi. Can you say hi? No? Say hello. Wyatt. Oh my goodness, wild child. Come on. Gross, dude. You're getting slobber everywhere. Gross. Gross. But I'll probably talk to you guys here in a little bit. Hopefully I remember to end the vlog, because it's going to be a long night. Huh. It's going to be a very long night. Are you staring at the TV? You're a goofball. Tell him all about it. Yeah. Huh? Are you a silly boy? Are you a silly boy? Hmm? 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 Are you gonna say hello? Or are you just gonna ignore your viewers? They love you so much. Yes. Yeah? Tell them all about it. Crazy kid. I love you. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys.
Did you get that?
Not on camera.
Like, probably got that though.
Yep.
Anyway.
Anyways.
We're getting ready to end the vlog.
Yeah.
Check out what's going on right now.
I don't know if you can. Can you see it? Yes, you can. It is gnarly out.
Those cats and dogs are coming down.
It's bad, you guys. I'm trying to catch lightning on the camera.
Well, if you want to catch the lightning here, let me turn the light off. That'll be easier to say.
Yeah. Sorry about the lighting, guys.
Try and get a nice lightning strike for you.
It should be coming soon, because there we go. Jinx. And
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and...
that's what we're dealing with currently. Oh my goodness. Look at the lighting, babe.
So dark.
he's gonna turn on the light. I just wanted to catch that lightning for you, so you can see what we're dealing with right now.
Yeah. I'm trying to drink some rum and see if I can't get my tooth to stop hurting. It's been really, really bad today.
Yeah, update, we didn't go to the ER.
I didn't even know if she mentioned anything to you guys about the ER. I was laying down and trying to get my face to not hurt. I've done, like, rinsed it out with peroxide. I've tried Orajel. There's a mouthwash and Basol. I brush my teeth with sensitive toothpaste. I even use a toothbrush to try and brush some of that Orajel into my gum line. Take an ibuprofen every 6 hours. Try Tylenol. I'm in so much pain right now. I don't know what else to do. So I'm gonna try and drink and see if maybe if I get a little bit of a buzz that it helps.
Hopefully it does. But other than that, how was dinner? Because I can't eat it.
That was good. The dumplings were really good. They're done really well. Chicken was hard for me to eat because my mouth hurt so bad, but I ate some of it.
But anywho,
I think that's going to be it for today's daily vlog.
sorry that it was short.
Yeah, it's been kind of hectic here. We've been in pain. She's not feeling good. The kids are being crazy. We haven't had a lot of extra free time. But things will get better soon. I'm just waiting to hear back from the oral surgeon about ripping these 4 teeth out that are causing me problems, and then I should be ready to go after that.
Yep.
But if you liked what you saw,
Give it a thumbs up.
yeah, feel free to leave a comment down
Don't forget
below.
to subscribe.
And if you haven't already, hit the bell and it'll notify you every
Yep.
time we put up a new video. Bye, guys.
Bye.